Welcome to Only Machines. Today we will see machines facing the most extreme conditions. These engineering giants are not intimidated by challenges. First of all, subscribe to the channel and control your breathing, because this is Only Machines. Let's start. The Valmet 840.3 forwarder is a beast in the woods, effortlessly navigating through thick mud and heavy rain. Its powerful crane, operated with the finesse of a surgeon, handles massive loads with ease. This machine is a testament to Finnish engineering, built to conquer the toughest conditions while maximizing productivity. Holy moly, that Valtra forestry tractor is a beast. It's absolutely tearing through that wet, muddy terrain like it's dry pavement. Look at that grip and the way the operator effortlessly maneuvers that grabber. It's like poetry in motion. Valtra truly knows how to build a machine that can handle anything the forest throws at it. This is what I call a logging legend. These operators are having serious problems pulling this truck to the top, and they will do it with the help of a tractor, but I don't think it was the best decision. Check out that vintage TT four-skidder. This Soviet-era workhorse was built to conquer any terrain, and it's showing off its power. It's got the greatest grit by tackling that muddy bog. It might not be the prettiest machine on the block, but it's a testament to the power of simple, rugged engineering. This thing was designed for one purpose, to haul timber out of the toughest conditions, and it's still doing it today. Hold on to your hats. That Komatsu wheel loader is a beast. It's like a weightlifter on steroids, effortlessly hoisting that massive log like it's nothing. Look at the back end lift off the ground. This machine is operating at peak performance, showcasing its raw power and precision. And that operator, talk about skills. They're maneuvering that giant log with the finesse of a surgeon. This is what happens when you combine cutting-edge technology with expert craftsmanship. It's a symphony of power and precision that'll leave you breathless.
Kurap kayo ning.
Holy moly, check out that Logset 6F GT forwarder dominating those swampy conditions. Those tracks are eating up the mud like it's nothing. This machine is built for serious work, hauling a massive 14 tons of timber with ease. It's got a powerful engine, yet it's surprisingly agile. Plus, it's designed to be super reliable with low maintenance needs, saving you time and money. The Logset 6F GT is a beast of a machine that'll keep your logging operations going. It's got a powerful engine running smoothly, no matter how rough the terrain gets. Look at the place where this tractor managed to get stuck. It will be impossible to get out of there without the help of another incredible machine. The tractor is almost completely stuck in the mud, just an excavator to get it out of that hole. The Timberjack 1210 Forwarder is a winter warrior, conquering snowy forest with ease. Its robust tracks grip the icy terrain, while its powerful engine and 12-ton load capacity ensure maximum productivity in even the harshest conditions. The log lift crane effortlessly handles massive logs, making quick work of timber extraction. This tractor isn't just plowing through a flooded ford. It's defying the odds. With water levels at a staggering 4,000 feet per hour, it's able to drive up to 3,000 feet per hour. With a speed of over 5 feet, this machine showcases its incredible power and resilience. The driver's confidence is evident as they navigate the treacherous currents, proving the tractor's exceptional traction and stability. It's a testament to the machine's robust engineering and the operator's skill. However, this daring feat serves as a reminder. While impressive, such risks should not be taken lightly.
Oh my God.